Okay, so I just filmed this whole conversation with the mic in, but it wasn't working, so I need to figure out how to work a freaking mic. Anyway, so I just got done with my orientation, and I'm like a little bit like about it because all of it's online. Like my schedule's all online next semester, which is kind of like, so I kind of have to like think about like, do I want to go, which I think I do, even though it's online, because then I can still like make friends and like just like, you know, live life, you know, or do I want to like literally save so much money, but then the classes may not even transfer anyway, so I'll probably still go, but it bothers me because I literally, like, I think school cost me like $25,000. The fact that I'm just like gonna go and like sit and do my classes online is so like weird. Oh, I don't like it. Anyway, so maybe I'll eat a popsicle or something. Try to feel better about that. But I have got some packages. I went shopping. I physically cannot stop shopping. But I want to show you guys some stuff like informally. So just like in the middle of this vlog. So yeah, I'll do that. Okay guys, we're in the living room. I don't usually have you in here, but the boxes are like really big. If you can even like, yeah. So let's do, also, okay, wait, first thing I got, I'll show you the first things I got. Got this jumpsuit, it's halter, and it's like super soft and stuff. I made a little hole in it today, tearing off the tag, but my mom will fix it, so we're good with that. Got this bralette. Obviously, I'm not gonna show you that. That's inappropriate. Then, these pants are iconic, guys. Oh my gosh. They're like linen pants, and they have little button. They're high. They're just really cute. You guys aren't ready for it, basically. Got these shoes. So I forgot that Rona like sales were a thing, and so we went to American Eagle, like the outlet, and everything was like $6 there. It was insane. So I was like, why not pick up these shoes? They're literally a few dollars. I mean, they're cute, right? I like neutrals, so. Okay, so let's start opening. This should be a phone case. I'm not sure. Oh, it's a phone and my thing case. Okay. So my new phone case got, okay, you can't see that. Okay. This is cute. Okay, that's still not working. So my new phone case. Taking a look at that. It's little wildflowers. I'm gonna get my phone really quick so I can show you guys. I love it. It's so cute. This is my current case. It's sparkly and it's got like cracks in it, and it's got my HOSA thing. I don't know if you guys knew this, but I was a president of this medical club at my school. But like it was the first year we did it. So it was really kind of, nothing really happened, and then Rona happened and we didn't have any money because my teacher kept canceling all of our fundraisers. Anyway, but let's put this in here. Oh, I kind of love it. That's cute. Awesome. Okay, and I also obviously have a Samsung, so these are, I got a little carrier case for my Samsung earpods. So that way I can just like hook it in my bag so I don't lose them. Let me go find those really quick. So Samsung, I have like the first generation or whatever. I got them in 2018, but I'm just gonna put them in here. Also, you can't really tell actually. It's disgusting, my cases. So cute. It's now not hot pink anymore. I mean, you can still see the hot pink, but that's good. My phone is so cute, guys. I cannot with it right now. Okay, so other stuff. Speaking of college, I have some of my dorm stuff for you guys. Now that I'm like all like upset about it. Okay, so pillows. Got these. Got this big pillow. I really like it. On the other side is just like normal stripes. This pillow and then this pillow. It'll all make sense in a second. This is basically like my room, but reversed. That's what the idea was for this. So oh wow, there's a lot in here. Oh wow. Okay. I don't even think I'm ready for this. Let's scoot this over and lower down the camera. So, it looks like we have a bedside pocket thingy. Okay. Oh, this is a shower caddy. No, just kidding. This is a laundry bag. So there's that. This is sheets. Oh, I have more than one kind of sheet. These sheets. Okay, so you see the color scheme? No, you can't. Okay, okay, the camera's not doing it justice. Also my lens is really dirty, but I don't know how it's not showing up, like. Okay, anyway. So it's like a peachy, orange, pink, nude color. Anyway. So, this is just a fuzzy blanket. Nice. Here's my comforter. It's like bohemian vibes. I'll insert pictures of like what this stuff is supposed to look like. So, it's a mattress pad. This is my towels, white towels. Never had those, but that's fun. Oh, did I really get pillows? Hello? They straight up gave me pillows. Kind of wasn't expecting that. Okay. And then here's my memory foam mattress topper. So, yeah, the vibe's good. The vibe's good. Okay. So, I'll pack that all back in a minute. I'll open my last package. I bought a laptop case too. I was case happy the other night, basically, is what happened. So, it's very purpley, which was not what I was going for, but I'm not gonna hate on it. It's fine. I think it was not that much money. Oh, it's so soft on the inside. I got this for obviously my laptop, because my laptop is expensive. So I wanted this at least for like my bag, you know? So I wasn't just carrying it around. Let's see how good it fits in here. Oh, that fits perfect. And then I can put my pen in here so I don't freaking lose it like I did the other day. That was so scary. Because everybody knows that these pens are like $100, so cute. Wow, what an eventful day. Is it even focused? Yeah, it's focused. All right, well, see you later. Okay, hey guys, so we're at Walmart. We're in the pickup, but they haven't checked on us yet. So I wanted to show you, I got these tank tops in the girls section. But you guys all know those, like the trend on TikTok where like, you buy Walmart tank tops and you like crop them a little bit and they're super cute. And they were like $3 each. So stay tuned, I'll give you updates on that later. Yeah, that was pretty much it. We're having a yummy dinner. We're having orange chicken and it's my favorite. So yeah, see you later. Okay guys, So my mom, like we cut the shirt, so my mom like hemmed to the bottom. It turned out really good. I'm excited because everybody knows like shirts like, and I have it in black too. But everybody knows that shirts like this run for like 20 bucks for some reason. This is a size 10-12 from Walmart, like kids, girls 10-12, and then I cut it, and then yay. Okay, I'm gonna show you the black one. Oh yes. You see, it's just like really cash, and then you can put like jewelry. I'm excited. Yay! Shout out to Walmart for sponsoring. I wish. Do I wish? Honestly, any sponsor because. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, end the vlog here. It's nighttime now. This day's kind of been like weird. It was Father's Day. Well, I mean, it's not technically Father's Day, but like we had my dad as present, and it was like really good. And yeah, so yeah. If you're new here, like this video, like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications to see more of me. Comment down below what you want to see from me next, and see you next time. Missing someone.